What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So a reviewer has requested a 1,000-calorie meal plan with low carbs in just 3 meals. Consuming 1,000 calories in a day is not a lot. I mean, it's just 3 avocados.
Bruh.
Or 20 pieces of chicken nuggets.
Bruh.
Or just 10 bananas.
Bruh.
Yeah, I think you get the point. It's not a lot of calories, and you guys should only eat 1,000 calories a day if you know and need to be eating 1,000 calories a day. Not because some guy on the internet told you so. But if you need to be eating 1,000 calories a day with low carbs and in 3 meals, well, I got you covered. Staying and keeping full is key when you guys are on a 1,000-calorie diet because it's not a lot of calories to begin with. So here are some few things that you should know before you dive into a 1,000-calorie meal plan with low carbs and just 3 meals. 1. We must focus on a meal plan that's high on fats. Healthy fats. Guys, fats don't make you fat. In fact, fats, that kind of sound like a rhyme or something, but they actually help you lose weight, then gain weight. Eating too many calories and going over your maintenance level is what's gonna make you gain those unnecessary weight. Healthy fats and fats in general are slow digestive and takes a lot longer for your body to break down. So in return, automatically you'll be feeling full a lot longer. Second, fiber. Fiber is what keeps you feel full because that's what keeps the digestion busy. The more fiber that you can have, the longer it takes for food to break down in your body. But having too much fiber can lead to constipation, so be careful. And last but not least, protein. Protein overall helps with staying full because meat takes a while in general just to digest in your body. So when you combine the healthy fats, fiber, and protein together, in a whole meal plan, you're pretty much guaranteeing yourself in staying full throughout the day and avoiding binge eating because you're full for a very long time. They all work together to keep you full for a long time, which this strategy is exactly going to be applied in this 1,000-calorie meal plan. All right, let's begin. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you haven't already. So the first meal of the day is going to be an omelet. A very, very fulfilling omelet. So first we're going to be getting a pot and we're going to put not 1, not 2, but 3 whole eggs in there. And this is about 220 calories with 18 grams of protein, 15 grams of healthy fats, and barely any carbs of just 3 grams. We're going to be putting 70 grams of mushrooms in here, which has only 16 calories, alongside with half a tomato, which only has 12 calories, which by the way, these are full of fiber. And the half of bell pepper here is also full of fiber, 2 grams, but 24 calories. We're gonna go ahead and mix that all up and we're gonna get a pot and we're gonna put about half a tablespoon of olive oil in there, which has 7 grams of healthy fats. Olive oil is a fantastic essential fatty acid that your body needs because your body can't produce that type of oil, so it needs it from outsource, and olive oil is a beautiful, wonderful source to get it from. And this has about 63 calories. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan. We're gonna make sure everything's nice and even so it can cook evenly. On top of this, we're gonna put 30 grams of mozzarella cheese, and mozzarella cheese has 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of fats. Total of 72 calories. Mozzarella, guys, because it's high on protein and healthy fats, it does take a while for your body to break down. So it's a good source to use when you guys are trying to lose weight. We're gonna let it cook for some time. After it's finished cooking, it should look something like this. And guys, it looks like a freaking pizza, man. Just look at that. You guys can even slice it up like a pizza and have it like a pizza. The total calories here is 406, with the total macros being 31 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fats, majority of it is healthy fats, and 4 grams of fiber. Now, because this meal plan is more towards women, and women don't have that fast of a metabolism compared to men because of the muscle mass index and all, so you guys should be full for about 4 to 4.5 hours at least because this thing is extremely filling. It's just so fulfilling and keeps you full for an extremely long time. Moving on to meal number 2. Meal number 2 is going to be a chicken salad, and it's going to be a delicious chicken salad. So first we're going to be getting 100 grams of chicken breast, and this is about 31 grams of protein and 4 grams of fats, total of 160 calories. We're going to go ahead and marinate that with whatever you guys want. You guys can put seasoning, hot sauce, lemon. That's how I like it, by the way. Put whatever you guys want, but you guys should and must put 1 tablespoon of olive oil on it. We're going to be baking this. This will help a lot, and this is about 13.5 grams of healthy fats. Remember, olive oil is really good for you. A total of 120 calories. We're gonna go ahead and put it to bake for about 8-9 minutes, and while it's being baked, we're gonna get our salad ready. So the first thing is we're gonna put 40 grams of lettuce in there, and honestly guys, lettuce is just crunchy water. There's barely any calories, and it's full of minerals and vitamins, and it's just really good for you. And it's really beneficial for your body, especially when it comes down to weight loss. So we're gonna get 40 grams of lettuce, and this has about 8 calories. Literally just nothing. It's crunchy water. Another crunchy water we're going to add here is 100 grams of cucumbers, only 20 calories. medium tomato, 24 calories, 100 gram of broccoli. Now broccoli is fantastic. If you guys don't like broccoli, substitute it with cauliflower. But broccoli, guys, is such a great vegetable to have when you guys are trying to lose weight, because just look at this. 100 gram of broccoli has a whopping 3 grams of fiber and 3 grams of protein, and it's just wonderful, and it's 40 calories, fulfilling, and it does wonders for your body. Broccoli, guys, it does wonders for your body. Don't underestimate broccoli. I love broccoli. So by now the chicken should be done. We're gonna go ahead and chop the chicken breast up and put it into the bowl. After that, we're gonna get 20 grams of mozzarella cheese again, and we're gonna sprinkle that all over, 55 calories. And last but not least, we're gonna get 12 grams of almonds, or it's about 8 to 9 pieces of almonds. And this is about 68 calories. Now hold on a second. 78 calories for 8 to 9 pieces of almonds? Come on, man, this is an absolute weight gainer. Let me just stop you right there. Nuts are a fantastic snack to have when you guys are trying to lose weight, because first off, 12 grams of almonds, it has about 3 grams of fats, healthy fats, 3 grams of protein, and 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. And that's only 8 to 9 pieces. If you guys have a handful of it, yes, the calorie count probably will go to 300. Look at how many fiber that you will get. Look how many proteins you will get. Look how many healthy fats you will get. It's a very slow digesting nut. I mean, all nuts are, really. So if you guys are looking for a snack to have when you're trying to lose weight, nuts are a great alternative. They're fantastic. So don't underestimate nuts. They're really good for you. The total calories of this chicken salad is 506.5 calories. And guys, let me be honest with you. Someone like me who has a fast metabolism, eating this meal, it was kind of a mission. It was kind of a workout to finish this meal. If I had a trouble time, and I have a fast metabolism, if I had a long time and a trouble time eating it, I can only imagine how long it's going to take you guys to eat it. So don't underestimate this chicken salad. It's extremely filling and it's a workout. Believe me. The total macros here is 46 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbs, 26.5 grams of healthy fats. 95% of all this was healthy fats, and 9 grams of fiber. I'm telling you, 9 grams of fiber ain't a joke in a meal. This will keep you full for at least 4 hours, maybe even up to 5 hours. Like, it's really filling. Moving on to the last meal, it's going to be something unexpected, but it's going to be extremely delicious, and that's going to be a mango ice cream. Homemade mango ice cream. Check it out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a processing blender, and you want to put 1 cup of frozen mango in there. Now, frozen mangoes has about 104 calories. Majority of it is coming from carbs, about 25 grams of it. But you're getting 3 grams of fiber. And we know mango is a fantastic fruit, a delicious fruit, and it helps with weight loss as well. After that, we're going to put 150 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, and this is about 13 grams of protein and 84 calories. Following up with that, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, it does have 16 grams of carbs, but if you guys are using natural honey, that's like natural sugar rather than putting actual sugar in there. It's nature's sugar. So if you guys are using that, it's really good. Honey is full of antioxidants. It's really good for your body, great for your immune system, and overall very beneficial to the body. So just don't look at it like as if it's 16 grams of carbs. And the last ingredient is going to be 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but just to get more protein in, I put 1 scoop of vanilla protein. You guys can put whatever flavor you guys want if you've got. This has about 113 calories, and majority of the calories is coming from protein of a whopping 24 grams, which is insane. We're going to go ahead and blend it up, and we're going to keep blending until it becomes nice and smooth, kind of like what ice cream looks like. It should look something like this. Now, the total calories for this entire thing is 365, with the total macros being here, as you guys see. Obviously, we're not going to eat the whole thing now, because we're going to put it in a container and leave it for tomorrow and the day after, right? In the meantime, this is quite filling, so we're going to get 3 scoops of it. And 3 scoops of this delicious mango ice cream is about 100 calories, with the macros being 11 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. It is the only meal here that is high on carbs, but at the end of the day, we're using mango and literally non-fat Greek yogurt. Very slow digestive foods that's going to keep you full for a long time. And obviously, it's ice cream. Ice cream keeps you full for a very, very long time, because anything cold going to your body just takes a lot longer for your body to break down. It actually needs to produce a lot more energy for your body to break down cold foods, because it's iced. So your body will have to work even more, thus burning more calories, thus keeping you full longer and burning calories at the same time. So this way you feel full and you lose weight at the same time. By the way, guys, if you want more flavors of this ice cream, I got a whole video here showing you guys how to make healthy and easy, high protein, low carb ice creams. Just click here. And voila, that's it. Only 3 meals, delicious and fulfilling. The total calories that you guys consumed here was 1,012 and a half.
Bruh.
Okay, I know we're over 12 and a half calories. Just remove some almonds. But you don't have to be exact on 1,000 calories every day. One day you can have 1,100 calories. Next day you can have 990 calories. As long as you're in that range, you should be okay. And the total macros that you consumed in this entire calorie meal plan is 88 grams of protein, 47 grams of carbs, which is absolutely nothing, 52.5 grams of fats, majority of it is healthy fats, which is just insane, and 14 grams of fiber, which is just a lot of fiber. So when you put all that together, you guys should be full for an extremely long time. And that's how you eat 1,000 calories a day in just 3 meals with low carbs. And I can't stress this enough, you should only be eating 1,000 calories a day if a dietitian told you to, or if you know and need to be eating 1,000 calories. Because again, 1,000 calories, guys, is not a lot. Personally, myself, I have 1,000 calorie meals. You can check the videos over here. But my goal is to gain weight and build some muscle. But nonetheless, always be sure how many calories you need to be eating to lose weight before you hop on a meal plan. You should always do the study and research first before you go into a meal plan, or before you go into 1,000 calorie meal plan, because if you just jump into it without not knowing, you may be doing more harm than good. But again, if you guys are this far into this video, don't forget to smash that like button. You guys already know you need to be eating 1,000 calories a day to lose weight. So I'm gonna leave you guys with these 3 videos to check out. There are more 1,000 calorie meal plans with more variety and options that you guys can take some of the ideas or go on or just use the whole entire meal plan into your daily diet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys need help, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.